So hello guys, welcome back again iTech Hub YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you iPhone 7 Plus Wi-Fi options grey out. So guys, lot of iPhone 7 Plus users also reported to Wi-Fi options grey out and also Wi-Fi not working on iPhone 7 Plus. So guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Wi-Fi options grey out on iPhone 7 Plus after iOS updates. So guys, lot of iPhone users when Wi-Fi to connect your iPhone 7 Plus and also on other models. That time Wi-Fi not working and also Wi-Fi options grey out on iPhone 7 Plus. So guys, in this video you can see also when I turn on Wi-Fi but still not working on iPhone and iPad, and also sometime Wi-Fi options grey out on my iPhone 7 Plus and also on other models. So guys, how to fix? So guys, please make sure you have subscribed my channel, like, comment and share, and also follow the steps and easy to fix your problems. So guys, first one solution is reset all settings in your iPhone and iPad. So guys, first of all open the settings app and scroll down and tap on the general. In general scroll down and second last option is reset options. So guys, simply tap on that and first option is reset all settings. So guys, simply tap on that. Now again enter your passcode. Now again tap on the reset all settings and easy to fix your problems. So guys, now I will show you second solution for that issue. So guys, second solution is reset network settings in your iPhone 7 Plus and also another models. So guys, first of all open the settings app and scroll down and tap on the general. In general you can see also second last option is reset option. So guys, simply tap on that. Now you can see also third option is reset network settings. Now enter your passcode. Now again tap on the reset network settings and easy to fix your problems. So guys, sometimes reset network settings and also reset all settings not working on iPhone. So guys, now I will show you third solution for that issue. The third solution is turn on and off your iPhone and iPad. So guys, first of all open the settings app. Now scroll down and tap on the general. In general last option is shutdown options. Simply tap on that. Now you can see also slide to power off. After 20 to 30 seconds wait, then again turn on your iPhone and iPad and easy to fix your problems. So guys, now I will show you most important solutions for that issue. So guys, the solution is fully reset your iPhone and iPad. So guys, please follow the steps and easy to fix your problem. So guys, first of all open the settings app. In settings app scroll down and tap on the general. In general you can see also second last option is reset options. In reset you can see also second option is erase all content and settings. So guys, simply tap on that and erase. Now you can easily fix your problems in your iPhone and iPad. So guys, now I will show you last solution for that issue. So guys, the solution is force restart your iPhone 7 Plus and also another models. So guys, please follow the steps. Now first of all tap on the volume down button and also press the on off button in same times. So guys, press after some time wait. When Apple logo appeared, then release the both button in your iPhone and iPad and easy fix your problems. So guys, I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. Thank you so much.